Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be learning about this new website that we can definitely use in class, and you'll be able to practice your math as well. So the first thing we're going to do is going to type mathgames.com, and it should bring you to this website right here. And what we're going to do is just scroll down. We're going to say where it says practice math by grade. And obviously we're going to put kindergarten, and it looks like it says 70 skills, so there's a lot of things that we can learn there. What else? So it goes by different categories. So the first one would be counting, comparison, geometry, addition. So you know how this week we're learning addition, so that's what we're gonna do. But I just want to show you what else this website offers. So there's graphing, number properties, measurement, positions, and subtraction, and that's what we're going to be doing maybe next week, depending on how our lesson goes. But today we're gonna scroll up and we're gonna go to addition, and if you click here, obviously we're gonna go to this category where it says kindergarten. And right now, depending on where we are, obviously we can go ahead and start by counts, groups of 10 to 30, 50, and 100. So what you're gonna do, you don't have to worry about anything else. Maybe if you want to play other games, or if I do decide to do some worksheets, I'll be printing them from here, and we can maybe do it in class as a class, so you don't have to worry about that. So you're gonna click start, do a full screen here, and of course we'll have to watch this ad. Okay. Let me see. While we wait for that ad, some few seconds, like I was saying, you can go ahead and there it tells you more ways to use this math games. So you can obviously watch videos for any help, do worksheets. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do here, obviously it tells you what to do on the top. So it's here on the blue letters, it tells you count the chairs, and you can have them read the question to you. So obviously it says have Robert read the questions to you. So here,
the chairs.
see, you can, and then you can hear that, and then you can get a scratch pad, which is great, just because a lot of people need more help or want to count it a different way. So what we're gonna do here is count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Write an answer, which is 20, and then you say answer, and it says perfect. Obviously if you get it right, you get a green check mark. If you get it wrong, so let's say we didn't get this one wrong, so let's say it was 8, it's going to tell you good try, keep trying. So it's going to give you that yellow exclamation point, and you'll have to count it again. So it tells you count the moons, and then it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's 20 again. And go here. You got it. We got the right. Perfect. And it tells you count the hats as well. So there's a lot of good activities here. And if we go back to this little, to where we started, we can also do here addition with pictures up to 10, up to 5 and 10. So you obviously need to do the same thing. You need to do star, and then, okay, there's a lot of ads here, but you always want to, any tells you where you are. So if you want to work this, like let's say one activity after school or something, or during school, you're gonna be able to level up and then get stars, and you will see who has the most stars at the end of the week. But yeah, this is the website that we'll be using for class, and hopefully we get to learn more math and just have fun with this. So hopefully you learn something from this and we'll be able to continue in class.